Hey everyone, this is James with WSTrades.com. I want to provide an update here on ticker MNK or Mallinckrodt. So a lot of activity on StockTwits lately about this stock. They've recently released some news stories talking about how they might go bankrupt. So of course, when a company announces that it might go bankrupt, that's when you see all these degenerates pile in and try to buy and try to pump this thing to the moon. You'll see this a lot too when there's a lot of high short interest. If a high percentage of the float is shorted, you got the same type of stupid buying, and a lot of people, some people make out with money, but a lot of people get screwed over pretty badly, trying to get rich quick. So we've got the recent story there. Let's see, about them considering bankruptcy. So out on the 14th here, July 14th, it says they still have not determined whether it will file bankruptcy, but they are considering it. And then if you go a little further back in the news stories, it talks about them being involved in securities fraud and not reporting their financials correctly. So it says Buxton Helmsley issues a letter to Mallinckrodt PLC regarding continued evidentially false statements of financials. So it says that this letter was delivered to the board of directors and also the U.S. Senate Finance Committee, which extensively outlaid and alleged and evidenced multi-billion-dollar accounting and securities fraud scheme, historically and presently occurring at the company. So definitely a red flag here. The bankruptcy is a red flag. Securities fraud is a red flag. But as you can see, we got a pretty good pump here. You have a low of 41 cents and this thing blasts off to $2. So I'm definitely not going to be going long. There's just too many red flags here. This seems like a scam, this company, if they're not reporting their financials properly. And also looking at these earnings, this is kind of nutty. 2 quarters ago, they lost $19 a share, and then somehow they turned a profit in the last quarter. But if they're not reporting their financials correctly, it's hard to believe these numbers that they're, reporting to the SEC. So, for me, too many red flags with this one. I think this is a joke. I think this is a scam. I'm not going to be touching this. I might go short if anything, if I see another good pump, like we just saw, a couple 100% move. Maybe I could look to sell a call against it or something. But I don't think this is a good long-term hold at all, especially if these allegations of securities fraud end up being true, and then if they go bankrupt as well, definitely not good signs. So I just wanted to kind of give an update here on this ticker and tell you what I think about it. And if you're going to go out there and try to ride one of these pumps and make several 100% or 1,000% gains, good luck to you, and hopefully you don't blow your account. So I'll continue to keep you updated here on ticker MNK. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you for taking the time to watch this. Talk to you soon.